Hello and welcome to this session. In this session, we will be opening a demo site and we will be buying a large angelfish. Let's start and record our script using Nestedflow automation tool. I have already dragged the start and the stop blocks. For this session, our objectives are Objective 1, use of AI in test script building. Objective 2, we will not be using any XPaths. Objective 3, we will be using dynamic inbuilt data blocks to generate random names, random addresses, and some other things. Let's begin our exercise. I will be opening the web object spy. First thing I will do, I will put the URL here. That will be the JPEG store. I will use Chrome. As you can see, the browser is opened and um, the recorder here captured the action of web launch. I will open this script builder which uses AI. First thing I want to do is click on sign in. This panel will have all the actions that are available. Now this text is the indication of what we are going to search on screen. This doesn't have to be case sensitive, but the closer it is to the text on the screen, the better the results. I will click on sign in. You can see that it has captured the sign in uh, link and opened the login form. Next thing, I will deliberately delete the value here. I have to enter username and I have to enter the value J2EE. Before performing the action, I will try to inspect the object. It has to identify this field. So this AI based algorithm works in two phases. First time when we are recording, it will do all the algorithms and it will take some time to search the object. You can see that it just highlighted this field. And next time when we execute the script, then it will already have locators built in. So it will be much more faster. You will see all that later. Now I will confirm on the action. It will enter the value here. As soon as it completes the action, it will erase the values from the object identifier and the test data fields. You can see that sign in and username action both are recorded here. Next step I want to do, enter the password. I will next click on login button. We will be navigating to the fish link. As discussed earlier, we will click on the angelfish. The large angelfish is EST1. Next thing we want to do is click on add to cart. We are going to update the quantity to 2. Let's give a delay of zero point 0.5 seconds. Next thing, click on update cart. You see that even though I chose this update card, I chose a wrong action. That's why it is trying to find a select item here, but it cannot find. So that way we have to be very careful on what we are putting the action here. So since I created a wrong action, I have to delete my previous step. You can see that after delay, everything is removed. Next, click on update cart. So the AI search depends on action also. This text and the action combined determines what item on the screen is going to be selected. Next thing I want to do is click on proceed to checkout. Here, let's enter a first name using inbuilt data blocks. Enter text. When I double click on this block here on the test data block, I have a user US first name field. When I click on that, it will enter a random name. I will use the similar logic on the last name field. I will use US last name. Address 1, US address 1. Address 2 is nothing but the suite name, the room name, apartment number, something like that. It will randomly choose address 2. Next, we want to enter city. We will choose US state city. State of choice, we will keep Texas. We want a city here. It will choose whichever state you put, it will choose its capital. Since we chose Texas, we will enter that value on the state. Next value is zip. US state city, Texas, zip. It will choose a valid zip for Austin from the list inbuilt to the tool. Last thing it will do, we have to enter the country, and we have to click on continue with a click. So now the order is in the confirmation page. Let me click on confirm. Now you have reached the order page with the order number and other details. When I click on this green save button, you can see that all the actions that I have done are recorded, and now they are available here. I will drag the entire page here. I have not recorded with any XPath or anything other than screen names. So this is the good usage of AI. Now let's examine the objects that are selected here. For example, uh, you can see the zip, country, and continue fields here. Let me join this confirm thing to stop. But in order to see the order number during execution, I will put some delays here. I will put a delay of 2 seconds, and I will join this delay block to the stop. You can see on the confirm, we chose the confirm field using AI, and it has already pre-populated the locators. If the locators change tomorrow due to any screen changes or website maintenance and other things, it will auto populate these by again searching for the right XPath and other attribute on the screen. So with the AI, we are also implementing self healing. For example, let me delete the whatever it has captured here. So this is like screen has changed for the sign in link. I will also remove the username. Now let's see what it will do. You can see that it will open the website. Now it will research the sign in. It has researched the username field. See, the search always takes time. So you can see the username is entered. Password did not take any time. Now all other subsequent items or web objects, it is not even taking any considerable time because the locators are pre-built. The 2 second delay 78077. So this is the test case. Now in order to show it a little bit better, I have already added few more extra steps here. I have added the capture of order number with the get text action, and I will be assigning that thing to order number variable. Now let me, and I will be closing the web page also. Now let me rerun this thing. This time you see all the locators are pre-built. It should be way more faster than the previous run. See, username did not take any time this time. The order number is 78079. Now let's see the parameter here. Order number 78079. So this is how we can create a test script without the need of any code or any XPath. The intention here is for any business user or non-technical user to create a simple test scripts. Thank you so much for attending this session.